In a world dominated by digital displays and instant notifications, mechanical watches hold a unique allure that transcends mere functionality. They are not merely instruments for telling time, but miniature marvels of engineering and artistry, each one a testament to human ingenuity. Unlike quartz watches, mechanical ones are powered by a meticulously crafted symphony of springs, gears and levers, all working in perfect harmony. Each tick and tock represents a legacy of tradition, a lineage of skilled artisans dedicated to perfecting this intricate craft over centuries. The dedication and precision involved in creating these timepieces are unparalleled, reflecting a deep respect for the art of watchmaking. The act of winding a mechanical watch creates a tangible connection between the wearer and the passage of time, a ritual that modern technology cannot replicate. This tactile engagement fosters a sense of appreciation for the intricate mechanics that drive these miniature masterpieces, making each moment feel more significant. It's a reminder that time is not just an abstract concept, but a physical force harnessed with exquisite precision, a dance of gears and springs that we can see and feel. At the heart of every mechanical watch lies its movement, a meticulously orchestrated assembly of tiny components, each playing a vital role in the grand design. The mainspring, a tightly wound coil of metal, serves as the power source of the movement, storing potential energy. As the mainspring unwinds, it releases stored energy, setting in motion a series of gears and levers that regulate the flow of time, ensuring precision. The gear train transmits energy from the mainspring to the escapement, the heart of the timekeeping mechanism, maintaining a steady flow. The escapement controls the release of energy to the balance wheel, ensuring the watch runs accurately, with each tick marking a precise moment. The balance wheel oscillates at a constant frequency, acting as the timekeeping element, its rhythmic motion akin to a heartbeat. Each part, meticulously crafted and precisely fitted, plays a crucial role in ensuring the accurate measurement of time, a testament to the watchmaker's skill. It's a symphony of motion, a testament to the brilliance of mechanical engineering where every component works in harmony. The interaction between these components captures and controls the passage of time, creating a masterpiece of precision and artistry. The creation of a mechanical watch begins with an idea, a vision of technical sophistication and aesthetic elegance. This concept is translated into detailed sketches and technical drawings. Prototypes, often crafted from brass, serve as test beds for functionality and aesthetics. Once the prototype phase is complete, the manufacturing process begins. Skilled artisans transform raw materials into intricate components. The creation of the movement's components requires a blend of technical skill and artistic sensibility. Each component, no matter how small, is crafted with care and attention to detail. The assembly of a mechanical watch movement is a meticulous process requiring dexterity, patience, and precision. Master watchmakers use specialized tools to position each component within the movement. The escapement is meticulously adjusted to control the release of energy from the mainspring to the balance wheel. The installation of the balance wheel requires extraordinary precision. The balance spring is carefully attached to the balance wheel, its tension adjusted to ensure the desired frequency. Once the movement is fully assembled, it undergoes a meticulous lubrication process. This crucial step ensures smooth operation and minimizes wear and tear. A mechanical watch, once assembled, undergoes rigorous tests to ensure it meets the highest standards of accuracy, durability, and reliability. These tests are crucial in maintaining the reputation and trust that luxury watch brands have built over decades. The most fundamental test is accuracy, monitored over various time intervals and positions. This ensures that the watch keeps perfect time, regardless of how it is worn or the conditions it is exposed to. Water resistance is tested by subjecting watches to varying degrees of pressure. This is essential for ensuring that the watch can withstand everyday activities from hand washing to swimming. Power reserve is tested by winding the watch to its full capacity and monitoring how long it runs. This test guarantees that the watch will continue to function accurately over an extended period without needing to be wound frequently. These tests ensure the watch maintains its accuracy and functionality over extended periods. Long-term reliability is a hallmark of a well-crafted mechanical watch. This meticulous testing regime is a testament to the commitment to quality that defines luxury watchmaking. Every component is scrutinized to ensure it meets the highest standards. The relentless pursuit of precision transforms mechanical watches into instruments of horological excellence. Each adjustment and inspection is a step towards perfection. Only after passing these rigorous tests can a watch be deemed worthy of its prestigious lineage. This final certification is a mark of excellence, ensuring that the watch is ready to be worn and admired. Mechanical watches often transcend basic timekeeping, incorporating intricate features known as complications. One of the most revered complications is the tourbillon, designed to counteract the effects of gravity on accuracy. Chronographs add stopwatch functionality ideal for timing events with precision. Moon phase complications track the lunar cycle, adding a touch of celestial wonder. Perpetual calendars take into account varying lengths of months and leap years, requiring no adjustment until the year 2100. These mechanical marvels are a testament to the ingenuity of watchmakers. Complications transform watches from mere timekeepers into instruments of horological excellence. They showcase the relentless pursuit of precision and creativity in watchmaking. In an era of digital ubiquity, mechanical watches stand apart as symbols of craftsmanship and tradition. They are miniature works of art, meticulously crafted by skilled artisans. Each tick and tock is a testament to the ingenuity of their creators. Owning a mechanical watch is akin to possessing a piece of history. Mechanical watches are prized for their longevity, often becoming treasured heirlooms. This enduring quality makes them a sound investment, their value appreciating over time. Mechanical watches offer a reassuring sense of permanence and tradition in an ever-changing world.